One module in the console handles two different ways of booking time. Appointments. For a salon, a barber, a repair shop, where a person books a slot. And table reservations. For a restaurant, where a party books a table. They live in the same place because they're the same idea. In the next few minutes, we'll flip each switch in the settings and then jump straight into the running counter to watch exactly what it does. So by the end, you can run both without guessing. Start with appointments in the barbershop settings. Open the Appointments and Reservations module, and the first section is Appointments. One switch. Enable Appointments is the whole on-off. Under it, you set the shape of your day, when the day starts, when it ends, and how long a slot is. That's it. This same module also holds table reservations, right below. We'll get to those in the restaurant. For now, flip Appointments on and watch where it shows up. Let's go to the running counter. Because appointments are on, the sidebar now has a Schedule tab, and that's the calendar the setting created. Open it and you're looking at today, laid out between the hours you chose. It's already a real working day, a finished cut, another done, an 11 o'clock no-show flagged in red so it never counts as money you didn't make, and the afternoon still to come. The switch in settings became this book. The calendar isn't just for looking at. The phone rings, you book. Book appointment, pick a time, type the name, choose the service from your own menu, and book. There it is, dropped onto today between the same hours. Booking a client takes about as long as saying their name. And here's why the calendar lives inside the register instead of beside it. When a booked client sits down, you don't hunt for their service on a grid. You press charge right on their booking, and the exact service they reserve drops straight into the sale, ready to take payment. The schedule and the till are one system. That's the whole appointment side. One switch, a day you shape, and a booking that becomes a sale in a single tap. Now the restaurant. Same module. Open Appointments and Reservations in the bistro settings, and scroll past the appointments to the second section, Table Reservations. It needs table service switched on, because a reservation holds a table. Enable Reservations is the on-off. Then two numbers that are the whole art of it. Start holding the table. How many minutes before a booking a free table should go purple and be kept open? And the conflict alert window. How close to the booking the floor starts watching for trouble if that table is still occupied? Remember those two. Let's see them run. Let's switch to the bistro floor. Because reservations are on, the sidebar has a Reservations tab, exactly the way appointments gave the barber a schedule. Open it. Every booking for the day at a glance. The party, the time, and the table it holds. There's the Dubois party, 4 covers, holding table 6 this evening. Booking 1 is a few taps. The table, the time, how many, a name. Now the floor. Remember the first number. Start holding the table. The Dubois booking is close enough, so table 6 is lit purple. Reserved, held open, so no host seats a walk-in on top of it. That purple is the setting doing its job. Anything further out than your hold window is just a normal free table. The floor only reserves it when the time is near. And now the second number earns its keep. A pair sits at table 5. Open it, 2 guests, and it's occupied. Then a booking comes in for table 5, just minutes away. Watch the floor. Table 5 does not turn purple because someone is sitting there, and calling it reserved would be a lie. Instead, inside the conflict window you set, the floor raises an alert up top. Reserved, still occupied, and hands you the fix. Reassign the booking to a genuinely free table in one tap. Table 7 takes it. The alert clears, and the floor never once pretended an occupied table was free. That is the whole reservation system. Hold honestly, and never double book in silence. So that's the whole module. Appointments. One switch, a day you shape, a booking that becomes a sale in one tap. Reservations. One switch, a hold time that turns tables purple, and a conflict guard that refuses to double book. Two calendars, one place, and every setting you saw lands somewhere you can point to on the floor. Every demo is free to open, break, and reset. Go turn the switches yourself.